Imagine streaming a live game, controlling a drone, or using a self-driving car, and everything responds instantly, without delays. That magic? It's powered by edge computing, the new frontier in data centers and low-latency applications. For decades, most data processing happened in centralized data centers or the cloud. Information had to travel long distances from your device to a faraway server and back. While effective, this model often struggled with real-time demands. A few milliseconds may not matter when sending an email, but in critical scenarios like autonomous vehicles, healthcare devices, or financial transactions, every fraction of a second counts. Edge computing changes the rules. Instead of relying solely on centralized servers, it processes data closer to the source, right at the edge of the network. Think of sensors in factories, smart traffic lights in cities, or even your own smartphone acting as a mini data hub. By moving computation closer to where it's needed, latency drops dramatically, bandwidth is conserved, and performance soars. This paradigm shift isn't just about speed. Edge computing enhances reliability. If a network goes down, local devices can continue to function without waiting for cloud servers to reconnect. It also improves data privacy by processing sensitive information locally instead of transmitting everything across the internet. Industries are already reaping the benefits. In manufacturing, predictive maintenance powered by edge devices prevents costly breakdowns. In retail, smart cameras and sensors personalize customer experiences in real time. In healthcare, wearable devices monitor patients continuously and alert doctors instantly to abnormalities. And in entertainment, edge computing enables smoother AR and VR experiences without lag. Of course, challenges remain. Deploying and managing distributed edge nodes is complex. Security risks increase when data is processed in multiple locations. But with advances in AI, 5G networks, and software-defined infrastructure, edge computing is becoming more practical and scalable every day. We stand at the edge of a technological revolution. The next generation of applications, autonomous systems, immersive gaming, intelligent cities, will demand the speed and efficiency only edge computing can deliver. So here's the question: how do you see edge computing reshaping the way we live, work, and connect?